Now, I mentioned before that Facebook does have some rules, okay? And that affects our ads. So there are some things that, it's just not going to approve. But for the most part, you're going to be able to use ads for just about anything, okay? I'll go over the do not list on the next slide, but for those of you that have an online business, if your traffic is, if you want to drive traffic and get sales to your website, Facebook's going to help you out with that, okay? If the ads are well created, then they're going to send traffic to you. It's as simple as that. So the ball is in your court from that standpoint. Your sales page, your landing page needs to do its job. Facebook will get you the traffic. If you've got a brick and mortar business, maybe you got a small shop, it doesn't do directly online sales, so to speak, you can still benefit from Facebook ads because you've got the potential there for geographically targeting and interest-based targeting, and that gives you a whole lot of options even with a brick and mortar business. You could use Facebook to promote your company's website, maybe generate some walk-in sales, right? Advertise about your services. You can start, maybe online business is an opportunity for you and you just haven't done it yet. Maybe what you sell is, you got the brick and mortar shop and you sell products that you could market online, but you haven't expanded to that. Maybe this is an opportunity for you to kind of catapult yourself up to that level. Affiliate marketers, you're going to like this. Facebook is very friendly to affiliate marketers. Google, But as long as the products that you're pushing fall within Facebook's little box that it puts products in, there's no problems. Okay, you can promote products and services. And really, as an affiliate, Facebook is ideal because you can, get yourself into a lot of niches. You can have products that are in a variety of niches. Organizations. Maybe you want to talk about your mission, causes, and maybe you're doing a fundraiser, stuff like that. This is a great place because, again, it's community oriented. If you're you raise money for breast cancer, right, and you have a breast cancer awareness Facebook page, people that have had some kind of experience with that, maybe they've had cancer themselves, maybe their mother died or something from that, and they're interested in that and they want to help and support it. You can get a lot of friends that way, and then when you do have that fundraiser, bam, you talk about it. All your friends are there, they see it, they talk about it to their friends, and it grows out and can become viral. Politicians. Yep, I know we love them and we hate them, don't we? But you need to do some campaign work. This is a great way to hit the users in your area geographically. Again, we can focus this down pretty sound. Artists, maybe bands, celebrities, people that just do some kind of performing art kind of thing. All these people use Facebook to talk about what they're doing currently, what they're going to be doing in the future. Maybe you cut a new album and you want to tell everybody about it. This is a great way to do it. You're going, like I mentioned, in a band that I'm in, created a Facebook page specifically for that band. Get local friends, and what do? Tell them, hey, we're going to be over at this place this Saturday. Come see us. Give them the date, all that kind of stuff. Now, the don't list. You do not want to use Facebook if you promote tobacco products. Remember, Facebook is very user-oriented, okay? So they want only the best for their members, and they're going to be very careful about advertising. Okay? If you promote pornographic material, don't even consider it. Anything alcohol related. If your ads are misleading and hypey, how about that one? That cut out a whole bunch of internet marketers right there. You can't do it. And they're going to, they reserve the right to check your ad out and say, you know what? That is a whole bunch of hype. bam, you're gone. If you promote illegal products, you cannot use Facebook. If your products are scams, if it gets reported that this product does not do what it says and it is just a bogus product, they're not going to allow it. So if you fall into any of these categories, I'm not talking about getting your ad pulled. I'm talking about you will be banned. As in, I'm sorry, you can't advertise with us anymore. So you want to be very careful that if one of your products falls into these categories for whatever reason, don't use that to promote on Facebook. Now, you can use your other legitimate businesses, but you do not want to promote those products or services here. All right, in the next video, we are going to talk about the Facebook ad model.